You have to. I was about to say you have to do it one at a time.
Yeah. I'll turn the pages, okay?
Okay.
The dog that I love the best. Sniff, sniff. Woof, woof. Some doggies love a juicy bone, and some love games and toys. People. Woof, woof. The dog that I like best of all just loves to make a noise. Woof, woof. Animal shelters have lots of pets of every shape and size. Squawk, squawk. Meow. Woof, woof. Splish, splash. Woof, woof. The dog that I like best of all has big, brown, friendly eyes. Woof, woof. Oh. I visited the shelter to see what I could see. Woof, woof. Woof. We pooted. And now the dog that I love best is coming home with me. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Woof. Woof, woof. You say woof, woof. See that you laugh. We pooted again. Roof, roof. He pooted again. He keeps pooting. Woof, woof. That's dog. Woof, woof. You want to read another book? You have another one. Another finger puppet. Uh-oh.